Good morning, John here. I got a comment from a viewer on a video I did when I had 3 batteries, and the comment said, "This makes no sense." Yeah, I should have commented back. I should have said, "Just consider the source." But I commented back something to the effect, yes, I have that effect on people. Blame it on my ADD, I guess. And then he commented back, maybe do it over. So this is my attempt to do it over, but now I have 4 batteries. So rather than to do it with 3 batteries, I'll do it with 4 batteries. So this is my attempt at that. Squirrel! Okay, anyhow, here I drew a diagram. I thought maybe that would help. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 batteries. You get these connected, and then the top one goes, I just numbered them, 1, and then the same on this one, 2. You can see it here. You've got the cable from here to this battery, 1 and 2. Got the cable from here to here on this bank of batteries, and then the cable coming out, going up into 1, the cable coming out of this going into 2. So hopefully that helps clarify the confusion. And you can see here on when you go into the batteries, when I just had 3, I had 1 and it actually may be 1 and 3 and 2 and 4. I can't remember, but in other words, there was only 3 of these lit up. Now there's 4. So, all right, you have a good one. God bless.